If a hacker's ever reset your password, or maybe you just forgot your domain or local administrator password, you can reset it simply by booting off of the bootable ISO or DVD. I'm in Hyper-V, but this also works in physical computers as well. The procedure's the same, with the exception of making sure that your ISO has been mounted into the settings area. So if I go to settings, and then I go to DVD, I want to make sure that my Windows 2025 Server ISO has been mounted. Now I'm going to shut down the server, and once it's shut down, I'm going to boot off of that DVD. I'm going to go to File Settings once again, and go to make sure I'm booting off of the DVD, which is now set to the top. So I'll click to start, and I'll press to boot off the DVD when prompted. I'm doing this off of my writable domain controller because it's not possible off the read-only, because that is a security risk. You can only synchronize changes from the domain. You can't actually make changes to them. I'll select the language and the keyboard. Now I'm going to choose to repair my PC. And I'm going to choose my keyboard once again. I'm going to choose troubleshoot. And then I'm going to choose command prompt. So I'm going to type disk part so I can assign a letter to my drive. I'll type in list volume. It'll tell me all the different volumes. You can see the C drive is being assigned to the wrong partition. I know that my C drive is 126 gigabytes. So I'll just assign volume 1 to a different drive letter. I'll call it E. So I'll type in select volume 1 and then assign letter equals E. Now I'll exit out, and I'll go to the E drive, and I'll clear the screen. Now I need to rename a file. So I'm going to go into the Windows System 32 folder, and I'm going to rename utilman.exe utilman.old. This is going to give us the accessibility option, and we're going to change it so that way it will open up a command prompt instead. Now I'm going to type in the copy command, cmd, to utilman.exe. So this is going to take command.exe and it's going to copy it where the utilman was. I'll exit out, and I'm going to turn off the PC, and then I'm going to change the drive letter once again just so it doesn't boot off of that or prompt me to boot off of it. And I'm going to move that down, and I'll move my file up and apply. Now when I start back up, I'll press the Control-Alt-Delete, and I'll click the little accessibility icon, and it puts up a command prompt for me. I'm going to type in NetUser administrator followed by a password. Now, I don't recommend this password. This is just to give you an idea. This is where you put in the password. Now, if you're trying to change the domain password, you type in /domain and press enter. Now I'm going to exit and type in that new password. And it took my brand new password. So if for some reason you're ever hacked and your password has been reset or it's been lost, first off, make sure that your network connection is disabled. And then you can go ahead and run through these various different commands and reset your password for your domain or just your server. And once again, I'm back in my server.